Hello, this is Andrew Cap, and I'm going to review my web app project for Sinatra, which is a family tree. So this is the home page. So you can, if you're a new user, sign up. If you're a returning user, you can log in. Since I already have seed data in here, I'm just going to log in. Okay, once you log in, it takes you directly to a list of any families that you already have set up. You can see I have 2 different families set up, and you can view family details on there and as well. And one thing you can do is see a list of users that are authorized to make changes to this family. And you can edit some of the code, the family code, family name, um, using this button here. So for each family, you can view family members here. So like for the cat family, I have all these family members set up. And then for each family member, you can view the details about them, the relationships. You can click edit. And from here, you can change a lot of the details, including the relationships. So if I want to change mother to something else, you can submit, then it will update. And then from here, if you go back to family listing, there's there's kind of a nav bar here. It'll show if your username if you're logged in, and gives a few different options. So if we go back to view, so you can see that I changed my mother name. So let's go back and change that back to my real mom. Okay, you can also delete the family member from this screen. I don't want to do that right now. So kind of the main page here is this family listing, which you can access here on the nav bar. You can also view all your family members, just a summary of them using this family members from the nav bar. So you can see from both families. You can see how I updated mine back to my real mom. So from this family listing, you can also create a new family member if you would like. So similar to the others, you can just enter the information. You can either, it defaults to no relationships, but you have to pick them from the list. So my dog here I'm going to put in real quick. No spouse, I'm dad, and mom's not listed. I'll actually just put my girlfriend. So then here is my dog that I added. So if you go to family member listing, there is my dog that I added, and then also under family listing, view family members. Here's the dog that I added. So if we go to edit, let's see, if we go to view details and we want to delete, can do that, and then it goes away. So again, if we go to view family members, that honey dog is no longer there. So the other thing that you can do from which, and just briefly, looking at this other family, you can see these are different family members. I'm listed on here twice, but this is a different instance of my name. It's not related to my name, or any of these people are not related to the family members on this family. They're completely separate. So at this point, they're not connected, but you can do anything similar to here. So for example, if I add a family member to Lee, let's say I add my dog, father, me, mother, Sharon. Okay, so then we go, so if we view family members, so here's Honey that I created under the family Lee. And if we go back here and we view the Cap family members, you can see there's no Honey. The other thing that you can do is look at the family tree. So you can do that for any family member. So I'm the one with the most data. So if we click on View Tree by my name, then it creates a view and report shows me my parents, mother, father, and then grandparents on my mother's side, grandparents on my father's side, and then great-grandparents. And then, so if I pick that for somebody else, if they don't have data, like I don't have data set up for my girlfriend here, then, it'll be blank. If there's data, then it'll show here. So me is the father, and then my parents, so on. So it's very flexible. If you get into my grandparents where I just don't have data set up yet, then then it won't show anything. Okay, last thing. So notice at the home page that it changes the buttons. You can't create a new user if you're logged in, and it doesn't have a login if you're already logged in. But if you go to log out and then go back to the home page, you can see now you can do both of those things. All right, thank you for watching. Enjoy.